Have you ever felt like someone just doesn't respect you? Either it's at work, with friends, or even in your family? It can be tough to deal with it, but it's not impossible. Today, I am going to share 4 simple ways to handle people who don't respect you so you can stay confident and in control. Point number 1, speak up calmly. First, let's talk about speaking up. When someone disrespects you, your instinct might be to ignore it or snap back. But the best response is to stay calm and address it directly. For example, if someone cuts you off in a conversation, say, I wasn't finished speaking. Simple, direct, and respectful. This shows you value yourself and expect others to do the same. But always remember, in this, your tone matters. Stay calm but firm. Point number 2, set boundaries. The second step is setting boundaries. People will treat you the way you allow them to do. If someone keeps making hurtful jokes or comments, let them know it's not okay. You can say, I don't appreciate those kind of remarks. Please stop. Boundaries are not about pushing people away. They are about showing what's acceptable and protecting your peace. Point number 3, stay confident. The third way is to stay confident. People are less likely to disrespect someone who carries themselves with self-respect. Confidence doesn't mean being loud or aggressive. It's about believing in your worth. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly. Even if you feel nervous inside, act confident and others will notice. Point number 4, know when to walk away. Finally, sometimes the best response is no response at all. If someone continues to disrespect you despite your efforts, it's okay to walk away. Not every battle is worth fighting. Walking away doesn't mean you are weak. It means you respect yourself enough not to waste energy on people who don't deserve it. In conclusion, handling disrespect doesn't have to be complicated. Speak up calmly, set boundaries, stay confident, and know when to walk away. These steps might seem simple, but they are powerful. They remind others and yourself that you deserve respect. And when you handle disrespect the right way, you take back your power. And my friend, also remember that the way you respond can inspire others. There are people around you, friends, family, even strangers, who might be facing similar challenges. When they see how gracefully and firmly you handle disrespect, it gives them the courage to do the same. The bottom line is this: people will come and go, and not everyone will treat you the way you deserve. But when you choose to handle disrespect with strength and grace, you will walk away with something far more important: the confidence to know that your worth is never dependent on someone else's opinion. That's a lesson no one can take away from you. Final reminder: so take these 4 steps and know when. So take these 4 steps and practice them. Over time, you will notice that not only do people treat you with more respect, but you also feel stronger in yourself. Remember, you have got this because you are worth it. So that's the all I can give you. So if you like the video, then subscribe the channel and also hit the like button. Thank you.